Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects or music in Sonic Rumble game. If you want to enjoy Sonic Rumble without any kind of a sound effect or in silence, then the first thing you want to do is to launch open the Sonic Rumble game on your device, and once you're inside the main menu, you can go ahead and tap on the three horizontal buttons at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings tab, go to Sound Settings option and tap on Customize right next to Sound Settings. Now you can go ahead and turn off your background music volume by sliding the slider towards the left, and you can also go ahead and decrease your SE volume by moving it all the way towards the left. Once you have both of these buttons turned towards the left, you'll then be able to turn off sound effects in the game. Now you can enjoy Sonic Rumble without any sound effects or music. This will help you play the game in silent and quietly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.